I need your advice on how to fix a Miele dishwasher.
If the dishwasher does not drain, then you may need to clean out the garbage disposal, since that's where Miele dishwashers drain.
I'm occasionally seeing leaks and sometimes having it conk out.
If it won't start, first flip the fuse box to essentially restart the washer. If that does not work, you're going to need to replace the control panel.
That's several $100s.
Hence the advice to try the fuse box first. If it is leaking on the bottom, I would say the dishwasher is leaking from the bottom tray.
How could I fix it?
Clean the seal in case it is a chunk of dried food or dishwasher detergent that's preventing it from closing all the way. You may need to put Vaseline around the seal too, to improve its seal.
I do not think there's anything wrong with the seal.
Then check the float switch, in case that is not recognizing that the thing is close to overflowing.
I really do not need my house reenacting the classic scene from Noah.
Check the valves to see if they are stuck opened or closed. And the leak may be in the water intake hose, which Miele gets a lot of reports of that, and the water line leaking.
Where is that?
In the Miele dishwasher, the water intake hose is near the sump of the dishwasher, though you may need to take the dishwasher out of the cabinet niche to get to that.
I'll hire a professional to do that, if that's what needs to be done.
If you've got a lot of goop around the drain, the thing simply may not be draining the water it puts in to wash the dishes, and some overflows. Though you do not realize that because most goes down the drain by the time you see it on the floor.
I do not see much around the drain. At least if last week's dinner was clumped around it, that would be an obvious thing to repair.
If there's a lot of gunk around the drain, you should clean the filter and the gasket.
Assuming it is not the revenge of the dishwasher detergent. The whole process has gotten longer and harder, since they took phosphates out of the dishwasher detergents.
So use a rinse agent instead of more detergent, in case that wet stuff is clumping around the drain before dissolving, or even clogging the dishwasher drain.
Anything else I can try?
Run it on a hot water and extended cycle, and have a mop nearby just in case.
Assuming that does not get me in hot water with everyone else, due to the mess.